So today I'm making chicken curry. So I'm adding oil to the pot. Actually, my daughter invented this. This is sriracha bottle sauce. So we use this, we finished the sriracha. But my daughter was like, Mommy, you can reuse instead of reuse, recycle. You know, so she reused this container. You know, she poured this oil and it's useful. You just use it to drizzle your oil because she likes to make pancake and bake, you know, kids. So drizzle some oil. I think that's enough. So I will add my thyme. I'm using tiger thyme. Add the thyme and curry powder. This is a mixture of herbs, turmeric and spices, and all in here. Give it a stir. I can perceive the aroma of the curry and the thyme. So now goes in our diced onion. Okay, I'll add my dry chili pepper or just pepper, but it's dry. So it's time for me to add my marinated chicken. This chicken, I marinated it for overnight. So as you can see, I'll be adding the chicken in the pot. There is no water. I'm adding the whole chicken actually. Adding all the chicken in the pot. So I'll put the lid on it for it to cook. As the chicken is cooking, I will now prepare the white rice that will go with it. Okay. You can see I did not add any water to it, to the chicken. The chicken produced its own water. So now I will add a little bit of water to it. And the remaining vegetables. I'll add my multi-colored pepper. I have the green pepper, the red pepper, and the yellow pepper. They are all bell pepper. Add my veggie to it. And I'll add my diced potato. All right. So I'll put the lid back and make sure that all these vegetables that I added, all the vegetables cooked well. And at the same time, I'll check for salt. A little bit of chicken here. And a little bit of salt. I'll put the lid back. Let it go. I'll add this little bit of spice to it to ginger it up. Give it a gentle stir. A gentle stir. The aroma is so good. Actually, this dish is from Jamaica. It's Jamaican dish, chicken curry. My co-worker actually taught me how to make this dish. So I'm trying it out today. Smells so good. So if you add the potato will serve as a thickener, you know, will thicken up the liquid or the sauce, but don't let it be too thick because we are eating white rice with it. So the chicken is done, but I'll give it like 2 more minutes. I'll put the lid back. 2 more minutes while we wait on the rice. So here is the rice. I'll add ounce of butter to it. So today I'm using coconut milk. I'm using coconut milk. You can see I'm sweetening coconut milk. So I won't put all. Yep, I'll reserve some. So I'll put the lid so that I'll add a little bit of water for the rice to cook. Salt, the paste, and I'll add like a glass of water and let it cook. So now I'll be adding this flour. This is flour, all-purpose flour mixed with water. I'm adding this as a thickener too, not too much. Give it a stir. As you can see, the face is so palatable. The consistency now, so we'll be eating this with coconut white rice. I'll put the lid back. So as you can see here, the rice is done.